Hello everyone, welcome back to the correction part of the previous program. So why we are not getting the result is we have used else if. Okay, we have used else if. Else if is nothing but it is expecting a condition. Okay, it is expecting a condition and we are not giving the condition. That is why we are getting the value as 0. Okay, before that what we have done here, else if, we have used else if c equals to a plus b and we check syntax. So else if is considering c equals to a plus b is a condition. Okay, so it is, that is why giving as 0. So we will check the previous wrong result first, why we are getting 0 here. So we will give the value here 2 and 3, and whenever we execute the function module, we are getting the values of c as 0. But what we have to write in the source code, we have to just write it as else. Okay, we have to write it as else, not else if, because if we used else if, then it will expect some condition. Now if we execute the same, we'll check syntax, we'll activate and we will execute it. Now if we give the value 2 and value 3 and we will execute, now the value is coming as 5. Okay, so we will go back to our coding program and we will check syntax here. We will activate our program wherever, in which program, the program we have used our function module. Okay, and we will execute. So in P and Q, user will put some value 2 and in place of Q, the user have given value as 3. Now once we execute, this P and Q value will go to the function module. There the function module will calculate the logic and send the result to our coding screen again. Okay, to the program again. So the result is 5. If we put 0 0 0 and 0, what is the result? Result is program terminated. Okay, program terminated because we have created one exception, right? The message type I, because we have defined the message type is I. Okay, where we have defined, I will show you next. Message type is I, and why it is the result is 0, because we have given 0 0. We already defined one exception. We'll go back to SE32 again. Okay, so here we have defined message type as I, information message. Okay, all are zeros. Okay, what if we will change it to E? What if we will change it to E? E means error. Okay, type I means information. We will get the dumb, but it is kind of information message. And E means error. We will get it in the screen only. Now we will check syntax. We will activate and we will execute. So we will give 0 and 0. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, 0 and 0. We will execute it. Okay, see, error means we will get in the same screen only. Okay, 0 0. Okay, now we will go back to screen again. Well, if we go for A, I means information, E means error, and A means abort. Okay, we will execute. We will give 0 and we will 0 and execute. Okay, we are getting all our zeros and the program will be terminated because we have the option is exit. Okay, if we will click on exit, the program will be terminated. Okay, and we will go to the home screen. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of function module. We will soon do some practical on function modules, more and more practical on function modules. So for that, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will learn like this only. Okay, we will learn lots of things. Thank you.